In last class we discussed about digital system and what is the advantages and disadvantages of digital systems and what is analog systems. We all studied in last class, and in today's class we discussed about number systems and base conversion. Let's start. Binary numbers. What do you mean by binary numbers? The method of representing a numbers that has 2, the base as 2, and using only zeros and 1 digits. It uses only zeros and 1 digits. The 0 is indicate low and the 1 is indicate higher. That is considered as the binary number system. And what is number system? The number system is simply a system to represent numbers, whatever the any kinds of numbers. In this number system, it having binary number system, octal number system, decimal number system and hexadecimal number system. Now we discussed one by one. First one is binary number system. Binary system. In binary system, I already told, in binary system it represents that it has 2 as its base. The base of a binary is 2 and it will represents the numbers in a form zeros and ones. It represents in the form of zeros and ones. That is a binary number system. Actually, the number system having 4 types. The first one is binary. The second one is decimal system. Here decimal system means it having any kinds of numbers and the base of the decimal system is 10. Always the base of a decimal is 10. It will be represent like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It will be represent like this. The third one is octal system. In octal system, the base is 8. In octal system, the base is 8. How it will be represent? It will be represent up to 0 to 7. Okay, that means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is octal system. Next, the fourth one is hexadecimal system. Hexadecimal system. It will be represent, the base of a hexadecimal is 16 and it will be represent in the form 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And after 9 the number will be 10, but instead of 10 we have to take like A, B, C, D, E, F. Instead of writing 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, we have to write A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, these are all the important points which you have to remember in an hexadecimal. After 9, whatever the numbers come under which 0 to 16, after 9, the 10 to 11 we are taking, instead of numbers we have to take a letter format, that is A, B, C, D, E, F. These all about what? Number systems. In that number system, the first one is a binary system. In this binary system, the base will be 2 and it will be represented in the forms 0 and 1. The next one is decimal system. In this decimal system, the base is 10 and it should be represented up to 0 to 9. Next, octal representation. In this octal representation, the base is 8, it should be represented start with 0 to 7. Next, hexadecimal system, the base is 16, it should be represent 0 to 15. Okay, and another point, very important point in octal system and the hexadecimal system, that is, okay, it should be grouped with the 3-digit numbers. Okay, 3-digit binary numbers. It should be grouped with 3-digit binary number, that is a octal. That is a octal system. And in hexadecimal system, it should be grouped with 4 digits. 4-digit binary numbers, that is 0, 0, 0, 0. It must be grouped with 4 digits, and in an octal system it must be grouped with 3-digit binary numbers. These are some important points you should remember. Okay, in next class we will discuss the conversions of binary number systems. Let's stop here only. Thank you.